Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to repot and how to split the Cattleya and how to mount. So let's see. I hope it will helps you to grow your orchids. I'm not a professional YouTuber, so I just started, but I'm growing orchid, anthurium, philodendron, alocasia. So slowly I will upload all kind of videos. So now start. So I want to cut here. I keep the three bulbs, then I cut the branch. You can see the three bulbs. Yeah, then cut all the flower bud. If you want you can keep the roots, or if you want you can cut also, up to you, because after you cut the branch the new root will come out. You can see. Yeah, I took the three bulbs. Again I cut three bulbs. Minimum you must keep the three bulbs for replanting. Three bulbs, I mean three stem you can keep. Two stem also can, but three is better. So another one. I'm just showing you. If possible, you just remove the cocoa husk or cocoa peat, all the previous material, and now you can see the dead roots. You can cut all the dead roots. Don't need to keep. You can cut all because the new root will come out after you planting. And you can cut all the dead flower buds, even young also. If you want, you can cut. Yes. Then you can cut the dead branch. So remove all the previous husk, cocoa peat, all the previous material you remove, and dead roots. You can cut all the dead roots, everything, the rotten roots, dead roots, all you can cut. Yes. This way I'm growing, and I'm growing very well. I'm I'm not a professional YouTuber, but my profession is gardening. So you can try your own also. Hopefully you will get the good result. So now I will show you how to. You must get the pot for drainage the water, and you can make it one wire for support the plants. Then you can put some charcoal, or you can put stone also. If you want you can put stone. Then on top you just put the plant, and you must remember that in front of you you keep the young keep the young bird, keep the young stem, young branch in front of you, because all the kikis will come out from the young birds. They will come out surround all the way, but most the kikis come out is from the young stems. So I have to tie. Sorry, because actually really I don't know how to edit the videos. So if I slowly I will learn also. So that one is done. So another one I will show you, the no roots one is a very simply another way I will show you how to do this one. That one is another way I shown already planted. So another one, next one is without no roots. So you can see I tie here first, I tie here, I tie with the telephone wire. You can tie with anything. So it's a support already, so it's already strong. Yeah, strong support already. So now you can put the charcoal on your pot. You don't need to cover so much, don't need to cover all, just put little bit charcoal only. When the roots are grow well, then you can add some